Hello, Mark Homer here and welcome to Aspect. So we've had this project for a few years. It's going to be 99 apartments. It was the old Marks and Spencer's building right in the heart of Peterborough. It's 122,000 square foot, commercial on the ground floor, 99 apartments above. The big luffing crane that we had on the top of the building has now been taken down. We've replaced it with this hoist that is putting materials into the building, all of the structure in place, loads and loads of the partitions and the dry lining is now done. We're looking at releasing some of the flats shortly. We're almost ready for a phase of completion on the first phase, which will be coming off very shortly. Before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe. So let's go inside, let me show you around and I'll show you what we're currently working on. So we're in the courtyard area of this project. Got the rock panel there, the render, the windows are in, even the roofing is almost complete in this whole area. This area has moved on a hell of a lot since our last video. So this is a smoke shaft. Clearly with a building like this, you have to have somewhere for the smoke to be able to exit the building. It goes straight up through and out of the AOVs and through the shaft. Okay, so we're in a one-bedroom unit at the moment. It's a corner unit. Light is a really big deal in this building and getting light in through the courtyard. So we've put lots of these double doors in, created some Juliet balconies, and it's actually double aspect. We managed to get another window in on the side. We put largely Howden's kitchens into these units. Interior designer has picked all the colours. We're giving all of the residents a washing machine and a dryer. Condensation is quite a big issue when you're managing buildings like this with tenants in. Not a big thing for lots of people, but giving people somewhere where they can dry their clothes without having to put them on a clothes horse can really help the management of the building later on. We're in the bedroom now. We like putting lots of spotlights in. Generally speaking, we put all of these chrome face plates in on the electricals, a centralised electric radiator system that actually links up all the radiators in the apartment so that you can maintain a constant temperature. They're centrally controlled. And we've moved almost exclusively now to using luxury vinyl tile. Very durable, very good for when water is spilled on it. It doesn't lift and it will generally just repel it and stay in place. Replaced a lot of floors over the years, especially in rental properties. Electric heaters for the water as well, supplying to the showers and to the taps. Big part of this building is Wi-Fi. We're going to include Wi-Fi for everybody in the building. We've got two high-speed connections coming in, both 1 gig. We're using City Fibre and we're also using BT, and then we're going to share that throughout the building through Ethernet. In addition to that, people can sign up to BT and they can take Virgin. And at this point in the town centre, we have fibre to the exchange, which is much quicker. That's a big deal, certainly for tenants when you're looking at renting out properties like this. So this building is being released in phases. We're currently in phase 1, which is going to be released shortly. Every apartment is going to have a door entry system, and on every floor there'll be a keypad which is centrally controlled to keep residents away from other floors within which their apartment isn't located, so they can only access the floor where their apartment is. This was a condition put on by the police to make sure that there was good security throughout the building, and I'm putting CCTV throughout as well. So that's just a quick tour to update you on our progress, to show you what we're working on at the moment at Aspect. Make sure you like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. That's Mark Homer, over and out.